have our wireless hooked up and we're in our operator functions, we'll go ahead and make sure that our screen's set up. So we'll go to customer setup, we'll go to advertisement, we'll go to welcome advertisement, and we do have our screens enabled on here, so that looks good to me. We'll cancel back out, and then we'll cancel all the way back out, and then our screens should boot up here any minute now. Awesome, so we have our welcome. Alright, and then we have our first screen. And then our second screen should pop up. And there's the second screen. And that's how you load screen graphics onto your machine.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.